Yo, what's bracking, my boys? Check it out. Today, I'm gonna be installing a mod that I've been waiting to install since I first got the car. One thing I noticed when I got the car, it didn't whine how I wanted it to. So I found a solution for that, and that's this. This is the cold air intake from JLT. I don't know if it's a Series 1 or Series 2, but look, first of all, look how big that thing is. No diddy. It's a big ass cone. So my main purpose of getting this is so you can hear the supercharger whine a little bit louder. You know, all that that you see on Instagram and TikTok, all of that. Yeah. The car don't do that. I mean, it does it, but it's like real faint. It's a little puppy whine. I want a big dog whine, so that's why I got this. This is not an installation video. This is not a how-to video. This is a before and after. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it up, rev it a little bit so y'all can hear the whine, and then after I install this, I'm gonna start it up, hit the whine so y'all can see the difference that it's gonna make. This is a completely unbiased review, and just in case you're looking to get a JLT for your Hellcat or Scat Pack or whatever you want to get, this will be the video that you click on. Let's get straight into it. All right, y'all, check it out. I don't know if y'all can hear the engine behind me, but it sounds crazy already. I'm telling y'all right now, it sounds crazy right now. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I don't think Dodge knew the effect that they were gonna have on the American people when they dropped this, and everybody was able to hear the whine. Like, let's be honest, one of the biggest selling points is the supercharger sound, the whine, and I finally got it to how I wanted it to hear. I'm extremely happy with the product. Throttle response is up there. For anybody who's interested in the performance aspect, the throttle response is there. Like, there's a lot less lag. So, and the supercharger is way more louder on the inside than it used to be, stock. So, it, in my honest opinion, I think y'all should get the JLT. I know it's a whole bunch of other ones out there, but I think y'all should go with the JLT. The filter is massive. I know everybody got them, but there's a reason why everybody got them. That whine is off the chain. I'm telling y'all right now, the whine is crazy. Like, the audio on these phones and cameras don't do it justice. I swear it don't. If you enjoyed the supercharger whine, if you enjoyed the video, if you like the product, please make sure you drop a like, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell, man. Come on, man, help me get these views up. Y'all playing too much. But to the next video, man, I see y'all. Real Vision, I'm out.